So hey guys, and welcome to another video of mine. So it's been about 4 weeks since I've had my surgery, so I'm actually allowed to drive again. So I decided today to go for a walk down to the beach. I went for a little bit of a walk, not too far, because I didn't want to sort of upset anything too much with driving and going for a really long walk. Yeah, went for a bit of a walk along the beach, took a few photos, took a few videos of the water and some surfers out on the water, which I will include in the end of the video. So at the moment I actually feel really well, feel okay, a little bit tired but not too bad. So yeah, I'll keep you updated on everything. I've got another 2 weeks off from work, just have to wait and see how things pan out. Okay, as I said, I'll keep you updated on my progress. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.